A smartphone app that records snoring is promising a non-invasive way of diagnosing sleep apnea. Developers behind SleepCheck say it's setting patients on the path to life-changing treatment. Justine Conway with the story.
Punctuated by snoring. It's a sleep disorder that affects more than 775,000 Australians.
I've had ones where you sort of feel like you are waking up every 10 minutes. You kind of get a bit of a choking sensation.
Sleep apnea is a condition whereby the airway is occluding during sleep.
After 3 years of rough nights, Jules Batstone's wife suggested he download SleepCheck, a smartphone app used to detect sleep apnea.
We downloaded it, you put your age in, and once you're about to go to bed, you just press start and put it on the bedside table. And then drift off.
When the recording's complete, a report scales the user's risk from low to very high. If it's a high-risk result, there's directions to see a doctor.
The most well-known treatment is a CPAP device, and that stands for continuous positive airway pressure. In addition, there are jaw-advancing mouth guards that bring the bottom jaw forward.
In diagnosing sleep apnea, the next step is to undergo a sleep study. A sleep study includes a series of electrodes that are connected up and around the head that are going to look at which stage sleep you're in, as well as other parameters going to see how well you're breathing at night.
Like most medical professionals, sleep specialists are noticing a downturn in patients during the pandemic. So now more than ever, the developers behind the app are hoping it'll direct patients to get the treatment they need.
Just being able to kind of, sleep through the night without waking yourself up every 10 minutes would be fantastic.
Justine Conway, 9 News.